Our next story might sound like the plot of a show that you can binge watch, but it happened for real. In fact, it is being called the biggest gold heist in Canada's history. Our next report getting you the complete story.
A heist. Cargo stolen from an airport. And a lot of gold worth an insane amount of money. This story has all the elements for a thriller. Except it's not. This is the real story of what is being called the largest gold heist in Canadian history. 6 people have been arrested and 3 more are being sought in connection with the heist. How much gold are we talking about? A cargo of over $16 million in gold and currency. Yes, $16 million. This case has left people intrigued the world over. How can someone just steal cargo from an airport? Let's tell you how this heist was executed. The suspects forged an airway bill to steal cargo arriving from Switzerland. Airway bills are used to track international shipments. Basically, a fake document was presented at the Air Canada warehouse. The date was 17th April 2023. We're talking about 6,600 gold bars weighing 400 kg and millions in foreign currency. The heist took place at an Air Canada cargo facility at the Toronto Pearson International Airport. The police have named the 9 suspects and detailed the 19 charges they face. Air Canada has said it suspended 1 cargo division employee charged in the theft, and the other, who worked in the same department at the time of the heist, had left the airline before the charges were announced. 2 Indo-Canadian men are among 5 South Asians arrested. Pampal Sidhu, 54 years of age, a former Air Canada employee, and Amit Jalota, 40 years of age, from Oakville. The arrests were announced after a long-year investigation. What about the gold and the money? 1 kg of gold and about $434,000 in Canadian currency have been recovered. What happened to the rest? It is believed that the gold was melted down and the profits from the gold were used to help finance firearms. Firearms? Yes. The police recovered some 65 firearms. Investigators allege these were purchased with the proceeds from the theft. A Swiss bank hired Brinks Company, which is an American cash handling company, to transport the valuables from Zurich, Switzerland to Toronto. Air Canada was to fly the valuables into the country. The gold was offloaded at the cargo holding facility at Toronto Airport. But the gold and currency was missing after a search. Brinks Company and Air Canada have been in a legal dispute since October 2023. Brinks sued Air Canada over the theft. In response, Air Canada has refuted the claims. In a November 8th statement of defense, Air Canada rejected each and every allegation in the Brinks lawsuit. The airline has said it fulfilled its carriage contracts and denied any improper or careless conduct.
To stay up to speed with the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.